Well, here we go. So like I said, I got all of the roof wood up there. Got both of my doors cut out. I got the headers up there. And I got all of the wall up right here. And over here, I still gotta fix that one and put 2 more right there. And then that'll be good for right now. And then eventually I'll come in and brace up the rest of these with those same posts. And so yeah, that's it. But I got a little bit bored, and so I started doing this. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So this is the reason why I made it so long, so that I could have this section here. I like this wire setup. I haven't finished it yet. I still got the other piece of wire down in the back somewhere, and I'm gonna get it tomorrow. And I just got it up here temporarily. I got some straps I'm gonna use to kind of strap it down real good. You know, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna run some of that metal strapping through there and just get it done. I still gotta cut the doors. So this is enough. I gotta go all the way. So this is enough for, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rabbits. And I think it's pretty comfortable. But I'll do another video on that later. I just wanted to show the progress of what it was doing. Peace out.